If you eat an unpopped kernel, the sudden force could split your tooth right down the middle. A dentist would have to drill the jagged edges to smooth it out before applying a bonding glue to the damaged areas. Next, a tooth-colored filling is layered onto the crack to seal it, and special light hardens the material to create a stable surface. Finally, the dentist drills down the material to match the tooth, finishing the repair. But in severe cases, the only solution may be to extract it entirely.